Brian, and this is Demos in the Dark. Today is Black Friday, which is a national holiday, international holiday, religious one, I'm pretty sure. I don't know which religion, probably all of them. Spruce Effects made a specific fuzz for Black Friday, and it's just called the Black Friday Fuzz. It's one knob. It's the silicone fuzz. I love one knob fuzz pedals. So let's get to it. I have a Nash S63 running into a Benson Amps Monarch Reverb. That's what it sounds like. So one knob, volume. That's it. It's great. So all we have to do to change the sound of that is to just monkey with this here volume knob and these here pickup selectors and these here tone knobs, and we'll get a wide variety of sounds. So I'm just going to do that, and it's going to sound great, because it is. So you have it, $99, Black Friday, the Black Friday Fuzz from Spruce Effects. Go get it.